Hello everyone and welcome to the latest video on my channel, Digger Evans. I've got Jimmy on my shoulder, so please excuse any squawks and squeaks. I'm trying to keep him quiet. This is a quick mail call, or what's in the box mail call. I've ordered this from Scale Model Scenery, super phatic glue. It works on plastic and all kinds of things. I'm trying to get that in focus if we can. It's not having it. There. Ultra thin, foam safe, odorless, penetrating wood, plastic, foam, plastic, carbon fibre, GRP. So I'm going to give that a whirl. I've tried all kinds of different glues, and now we'll try and focus back into this. If we can. That's better. Cardboard boxes. I've got another 2 packs of these. I did show you these before. I've ordered a lot of these. They look great. Either thrown about as rubbish or on being loaded on a pallet or anything like that in shops, wherever you get parcels, on top of dustbins. Partly inspired by the disgraceful behaviour I've seen in LA on the internet, where all the Amazon parcels are being ripped out of container wagons, and after they've been ripped out, they're stealing the contents and throwing the boxes all over the place. And it showed a picture of hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of empty boxes all over the lines. So not only are they thieves, and dirty thieves as well, because they can't even put the rubbish away properly, they just throw it all over. So I've got 2 sets of these because I've got big plans for a rubbish strewn thing. The thing I'm most happy to get excited about is these custom made signs. These excuse me, you order these and they'll tell you how many letters you can have. I think it's 21, and you type whatever you want on the sign. These are going to be used in the warehouse building that I've had previously. I was building it. It came as a milk warehouse or something like that. These are from Scale Model Scenery, waterslide. They look really good when they're on, and I use that decal softener to fit them. I'll show you when I've done it, when I'm putting it on the layout. I think these are less than 10 quid, but the big thing is here, if you're a member of the Railway Modellers Club belonging to Scale Model Scenery, you get 10% off every single thing that they make all year round, every order, whatever, and you automatically get super duper really quick fast postage. And so these are less than 10 quid. Then I have a 10% discount, which makes them even cheaper. I ordered these Wednesday night after office hours, and Friday morning they're here. The reason I'm opening it late and doing this is because I've also had a new computer chair delivered, and I have to I've had to put that together, and plus Jimmy's been really noisy. The next thing is these house bricks. I've used these many times, and I spray them while they're on the card. I paint them brick red, and they're all laser cut, so you can separate 1 brick at a time if you want. I sometimes cut a row of bricks out and use them over the top of windows in scratch builds, at the bottom of windows, door steps. You can use them anywhere, and you can even have them as a raw fancy brick, as a decorative brick detail on a scratch build. Lots of uses, and also I like using them as individual bricks thrown about on waste ground. For some reason, you'll always find red bricks on waste ground for whatever reason. Last but not least is these bracken ferns. They grow in forests and damp places, the side of the railways, everywhere, especially in a North Europe climate. They're all over the damn place. I've ordered the brown ones, because even wherever they're growing, even if they're fresh new growth, they've always got the old growth hanging about at the outside of the plant. They grow new from the middle. I should have ordered the green ones as well, but I wasn't thinking. I only ordered these ones, the brown ones, but I've plenty of uses for them. They look good in details, in gutters on old factories that aren't used anymore, you know, the type of thing. So that's all it is for now, just those few things, and this new glue. I've tried all kinds of glue, cyanoacrylates, special plastic glues and everything, and I'm not unhappy. Some cyanos are absolutely useless, like the one from the pound shop. Terrible stuff. Doesn't have a good hold or anything. It's only a basic hold. But apart from that, that's about everything we've got going. I'll see if I can get Jimmy on camera for a sec. Come on, Jimmy. Good boy. Good boy. This is Jimmy, the Senegal parrot. That was Jimmy, the Senegal parrot. Sorry about that. I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. Thank you for everyone who has subscribed. I really appreciate it. If it's first time watching, you like what you see, please consider subscribing. I really would appreciate it. Thank you all very much, and bye bye for now.